Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. My name is Ryan. Today we're shooting 50 yards with SK rifle match, the red box. And conditions today, 52 degrees, winds coming from the left to the right, peaking at 5 miles an hour, maybe 3 to 5, so 7 to 11 kilometers an hour. Let's get to shooting. So once again, we're out here with the CZ457 LRP in factory configuration other than the trigger. I have my Magneto Speed Sporter custom dealie up there, and I've seen a lot and heard a lot about SK rifle match, the red box here in Canada, $13.99. So it's not going to break the bank. It's still good stuff from what I've seen so far online, but I have never tested it myself. So we are going to do that now. The typical target we use is the target used in the Z challenge. I've said it a million times in my last few videos too. Same target. If you want that target, go over to Eli's website, dayattherange.com. You can download it there, print it off, have the same target. What we're going to do is 20 shots at center for fouling and all that good stuff. Just get our zero dialed, and then 4 or 5 shot groups around the outside. See how it performs. I hope it does well. At this price, I can afford to shoot this all the time. And I've heard good things, so let's get to it. 4 magazines at 10, 40 shots total. All the chronograph data will be up at the end of the video for you guys to check out if you want. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share with your friends, tell your buddies. 22 shooting's where it's at nowadays, since cost of ammo and finding components to reload your own is getting pretty ridiculous, and it hasn't come back here in Canada, at least anyways. I have everything except for primers. Can't get primers anywhere, and it's been like that for about 2 years now, so I don't know what's going to go on with that. So 22 shooting, that's what we do. Plus it's a little bit more neighbor friendly, seeing that I'm in the country but still kind of close to town. Not going to bug anybody shooting rimfire. So all right, enough talking, enough chit chat, let's get to it. Ditching the shades as always. Get comfortable behind the rifle. So like I said, we're going to start off with 20 shots at center. Usually I shoot 5 and then dial in my zero properly, so I have good solid impacts. Natural point of aim is key. All right. I felt like a little bit of a tight bolt close as well. Make sure the rifle's level, get comfy, and here we go. So about a 1/2 mil low, 1/2 mil right. Looking very promising already. All right, so I'm gonna dial up 1/2 mil, and we will go to the left 1/2 mil as well, and return to shooting our fouling shot. So let's do it. Ooh. I might have overcorrected. One flyer, but come back to the right a couple, and we'll come down a couple, and we need another magazine. That's an empty mag. There's a full mag. I hear now too, we're allowed to show magazine penetration into the rifle, so I won't put any protection there, block you guys. I know you guys can handle it. So let's get back to shooting. Okay, come up one, and we'll go right one. There's our 20 fouling shots complete. This stuff's looking pretty solid. Go one more to the right. And I think the factory barrel on these CZ457 LRPs really likes the SK. I've never had bad luck with SK most of the time. So, and as you see there, it's doing really well. And we have mildly windy conditions. Like, we never have perfectly dead calm conditions out here. I'm in a valley, so it's just what it is. And first 5-shot group, top left. Got to remember to count this time. I did not pull that one. That must have been a flyer. The one that went last shot a little bit high. I might have pulled the 4th shot though, but I'm not going to make any excuses right now. We're just going to shoot, and it's looking great. So we're going to go off to the right, top right target for another 5 shots. Group number 2, here we go. Of course, all into one hole except for the last shot. Never seems to fail or impress me. Never seems to fail. But as we can see, this stuff is shooting extremely well in the factory configuration. It does even better with the IBI barrel, but a lot of you guys want to see the factory setup, so here we go. Group number 3, bottom right target. For 5, here we go. That one kind of a little bit of a stringing effect there, but still everything's touching. Pretty solid. Final group number 4. And that's gonna be bottom left. Let's get it. Oh no. Okay. That's not me. Not pulling the shots. Last shot, here we go. So, I don't know if I can blame that on the wind. At that light of a wind, I wouldn't expect a shift at all that big. So I just want to show you guys how I set up my targets for measuring the groups. So I use the program here, take a picture of my target. And then you have to set the 1 inch standard, but I thought these squares were exactly 1 inch. Turns out they're not, they're under 1 inch. So all my groups I've been measuring are actually smaller than I've been posting. So here I'm setting my aim point, and these aren't the actual order that the shots were taken. I'm just kind of showing you how I center my shots. So there's a 5-shot group. There's shot number 4 and shot number 5, right about there, let's say. And then when I measure it, it shows that it's that size. So that's what I show you on the videos. But it turns out the inch is actually a little bit bigger than those squares, as you see in this picture here. So from now on, I'll start taking pictures with the calipers in there so you guys can see it's actually 1 inch that I'm setting my calibration to. And then I know exactly too. From now on, I'll do that. Now let's get back to the video. We have a pretty good average of 4 groups there. And with the sighters, it was grouping fairly well as well. So that's basically what you can expect out of the LRP at 50 yards with SK rifle match. And I'll definitely be picking more of this stuff up. So we're looking at about 140 a brick. That's reasonable, especially for the amount of shooting I do. Good stuff. So I'm going to put the chronograph data up now. Have a look at it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see y'all next Sunday. Enjoy your weekend. Take care, guys.